Hello and thanks for watching. I wanted to make a short tutorial to show you guys how to create an icon on the desktop of your phone so that you kind of get the same benefit as if you had an app for Legacy School. So you can just click the picture and go straight to Legacy School in your student portal. So I'm going to be showing you here on my iPhone. So this is a method for the iPhone. I'm going to make another orientation video to show you how to do it on an Android phone. So if you have an Android, this one is not for you, but if you have an iPhone, continue to watch, please. So first thing you're going to do is open your Safari app. This is your internet browser for the iPhone, and please make sure that you do use the Safari app. It will not work if you use a different browser. Mine is probably going to be in a different location than yours, so wherever yours happens to be located, I had chosen to put mine in here. So the picture that looks like a kind of like a compass is the Safari app. Go ahead and click it and open it up. You're going to enter the website name, and it's www.legacyschoolonline.com. All right, so we're at our student, kind of our dashboard here, and I'm gonna want to make this particular spot my go-to place. If you want to create a button on your home screen that goes to your free training or anywhere else on the website, you can do a different button for each place if you wanted to, but I'm just going to show you how to do it from here. So at the bottom, in the bar at the very, very, very bottom, there's an icon that looks like a little box with an arrow pointing up. You're going to go ahead and click that right in the center, and it'll pull this up. Scroll down, and right here, kind of in the middle of my screen, it says Add to Home Screen. You'll go ahead and click Add to Home Screen, and this is where you'll name it. So I'm just going to name mine Legacy School. And at the very top right, you see a word that says Add. Go ahead and click Add. Okay, so when I exit out, you can see right here, it's actually created a little button for me that I can put anywhere I want. And this will take me straight to school, right where I told it to take me. So if for some reason you wanted to make maybe one extra button for just the ministry school, the free ministry training, you could make a free course button right here and add it to your phone. Or maybe you go back and you just want to go into here and add it to your phone desktop. You can add it wherever you want, however you want, and then you can move it around however you'd like as well. So I hope this helps you out. I really enjoy having this feature, and thanks for watching.